Oh, what's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, we have news, guys. We have a lot of news coming up. Lots of news today, guys. So we'll not waste any more time. 3:15, we have news, and it's already 3:06. All right, news is on Euro. Mostly it's on Euro, and news is also there on USD. So I'm only gonna trade Euro USD today, guys. Only gonna trade Euro USD. Actually, I have analyzed stuff and I have put my sell limits over here. I have not yet put my sell limits, but I'll put it very soon. Let me just edit the thumbnail of this to trading FOMC to trading news. We're just gonna trade news today, so no FOMC. Right. So there you go. Trading news and live, and we are ready. And let's go. What's up, guys? What's up? Can you see perfectly? All right. All right. Let me just take you guys through the analysis of EU very quick because we don't have time. So we are very bullish on the weekly time frame because over here the SNR level was respected very well, and if I go down to the daily or something like that, we will see that the market structure shift was taking place right over here. That is, the change of character was taking place right over here. So no, not over there. Yeah, there you go. Change of character was taken out right at this place. So we are very bullish on the weekly time frame. All right, but sometimes we could be bullish on the weekly but bearish on the daily. So that's the reason I'm bearish on the daily. This is a very fresh daily level. Actually, this is a good daily level. Let me just mark this as a daily SNR. There you. This is a good daily SNR. These are continuations or which we can take as targets. Okay, these are SNRs which are very fresh. And coming down to the 4 hour, we also see this is a very fresh SNR level, and that's the way I'm gonna try to get in my entries. But we see one thing is that this is an intermediate term high which was formed, so we're not gonna get very big targets. This will obviously make sure this will act as a short term high. Okay, so we would get another swing, and this is the swing we are trying to capture, guys. Okay, so let me just mark this is the swing that we are trying to capture. Okay, all right, now coming down, this is an ITH, and we also see that 4 hour liquidity has been taken. And if we look at the one day, we even see that liquidity was taken over here. And if we go down to the 4 hour, we even see liquidity was purged right over here. This is a liquidity grab, most probably. So we have to put in our entries. We have to be quick on this, guys. News is gonna be coming very soon, and I even have to trade the uh uh, yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? That's why I didn't join some streams. That's completely fine, brother. How are you? Long time no see. I was actually waiting for you. I took. Oh, okay. One second. I'll just open the chat on my phones because I've not yet learned how to use OBS, or else I could have put my chat on the screen, overlay it on the screen. We have to use something over there in the OBS itself. Let me just put in 1 minute. It's 40 already, and we are not yet. Okay. Three, right? Oh my god, BTC. We have to trade BTC. 1 second, guys, tutorial. 1 second. Let me just put in an order on BTC, and we have to long BTC, but at a very bad position. But deal is a deal. I had actually told in my earlier streams that I'm gonna trade every single silver bullet possible. So let me just 1 second and put in an order. I'll just show it to you on stream later. There you go. And SL will be right below. We're gonna make 0.02, 0.05, 6. We are good. Our orders have been placed on in Euro, I mean BTC, guys. I'll just open up the BTC chart. On BTC, buy limits have been placed, guys. Buy limits have been placed on BTC. Let's go. Let's get this, guys. Let's get this. And main thing is Euro USD. How are you guys? Tutorial. Are you doing good? What the week's percent gain? Percent gain. Okay. I am. I think at break even or at a very small loss on the week, because I basically did not trade for the last 4 to 5 days. I was not trading at all. That's why I did not stream. So yeah, but still, just now I just closed a very big GJ trade. Uh, if I show it, I just took a loss on this USD CAD. This was a 1 hour setup. This was a $30 loss or something like that. But this was another account which runs on 50-50 probability, so I do not worry about this. I just closed a big trade which brought my account back to break even on this. There you go, $77. You see that? That is the trade. I lost 33 and 33. Two trades in a row I lost. Actually, I was on a losing streak on this account. One, two, three, four, five. 5 or 6 losing streak, and still I managed to be at break even at this. So that's the power, I think, of risk management. Perfect trade. Like GBP was a wonderful trade. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, this was a 4 hour trade. You see, I took the entries right over here. First TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP. It was all the way up. I could just hold it more, trail it more, but I did not have enough quantity coming in. And by the way, I have very good news for you. I mean, it's not good news for you, but still, just as a favor, I have received another 25k account. This is one of my 25k account. This is 4188. And if you go into login trade, this is 4188, this is 5676, and I received another 25k account. So I have currently two 25k accounts plus added on myself. So right now, if you look at the very bigger picture, I have over 100k in evaluation. Like I just need to pass evaluation firms and I'll be like 100k funded. But yeah, that will obviously take a lot of time because I I take very less risk. I'm learning, so that's why I do not risk more. So we are in on the BTC trade, and we just took a buy, and this is a good trade, but towards the probabilities, but against the rules. Okay, because we do not have major buy side liquidity. So if you look at the probability side, this should be a winning trade. But if you look at the win rate stuff, this should be a loser. All right. I mean, if you look at the buy side liquidity to aim, there is no buy side liquidity to aim. All right. So this may be a loser. Okay. Even if we go TP at 1:1, I don't think we will even take 1:1. I'm not most confident about this. Let that trade run. I just took it just for my discipline. You guys can enter. It's a good trade today. I'm majorly focusing on the BTC trade, man. I mean, Euro USD trade. 1 minute, we have news coming in just 26 seconds. Okay, we have news, guys. Let's go. I'm actually gonna place a buy limit just over there where I showed you guys because I'm very positive on this level, and let's just place it on which account? Let me see. I have lots of accounts, man. I'm not even able to manage this. And we hit an SL on the BTC trade. No worries, no worries, no worries. Let me just close this trade so that we don't have any. Alright, BTC trade is closed, guys. So we took a loss in BTC. We took a loss, very small loss, $5. That is 0.02 percentage of my account. So not a big loss. Let me just give me a minute, guys, and let me see which account do I trade from. Um, I have to trade 2035 account. Yeah. Okay, 35, right? So let me just go down to the 35 account. There you go. We're in it. And we have to open the Euro USD charts. We're gonna be trading Euro USD. And let's go, guys. Let's go. We have to be selling at any moment now. Okay. Oh my God. News has come. Okay. 0.44. All right. All right. All right. News has come in, and I got late. So basically, yeah, we just have to sell. We just have to sell. We just have to sell. 1 second, guys. H1. I have not even seen the quantity, man. How much do I sell? Oh, give me a moment. Let me just put in my sell orders because it is gonna fall down from here. So it's 0.06. I'm gonna sell 0.06. There you go. We are in it. We are in sells, guys. We are in sell. And there you go. I'll add on or maybe decrease the position size. I'm in sales, guys. If I show you the trade, there you go. I'm in sales on EU because I see a lot of liquidity being built up. To be honest, all this is a lot of liquidity, guys. Lot of liquidity. Okay. So high probability trade. What do you think, guys? What are your views? Will we hit a loss on this? I can't read the chat. I'm very sorry. But what do you think about this trade? We're currently running at a profit of $1. Not much. If it comes up, maybe I did not risk the way I wanted to risk. I wanted to risk around 15, but it's no problem. If this account is at 4,858, so even if we come into at break even, it's a good trade for us. That's it. Let's move on from this trade. And I just put this trade on, the Discord too, right? No one actually replied to it, but there you go. I had planned this way before, since morning. I had planned this. Okay, so I won't be worried if the SL gets hit. I've risked very less, way too less on this. Like according to news, what I actually risk, I have not yet risked that much. Okay, because this is the first time ever I have actually traded with what do you say? Like I forgot the name, man. SNR, using Malaysian SNR. So we're currently in a loss. No worries. No worries. No worries. And BTC. Mhm. Okay. This was against the rules, man. I mean, there was no buy sell liquidity left in order for the market to purge. If there was if I mean, the short trade it's offering right now is better, even better than the long trade we actually took. Okay, so that's the thing. If we get a 1 minute market structure shift at least, that will even be better for us because 1 minute market structure shift will obviously increase the chances of us being right. Okay, so I'm not trading BTC obviously. So let me open USD Chef because I actually made a new strategy for USD Chef and we could get in. Okay, on the market structure shift it offers any market structure shift. Now I'm gonna get in, but again the thing is that Tokyo was very huge, man. I mean, the distribution took place in Tokyo, so London could be sideways, man. London could be sideways. Shall I put this trade on the side? If I just keep it like this, what do you guys what do you guys think? How is the trade? Good trade. Thank you very 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 much. We're running I'm risking 12 or 13 maybe. I think I should risk more. Not now, not anymore. So yeah. Nope. We did get a structural shift, but it's not the structural shift I wanted. I mean, okay, we have a closing. If there's a fair value gap and it gets respected, we are well good. We're good trade. It's a good trade. If only and only if this FEG does form and then market comes in and then sticks to this fair value gap and comes down. If it respects that, that's more than enough to let me tell you, to let me know that it's a good trade. And we can mark this as liquidity. All this here is liquidity, man. It's built up liquidity. Like I have written it over here. For bearish, it has to neutralize long liquidity. That's it. That's what ICT says. Okay. For going bearish, it has to remove long liquidity. And how do I think long liquidity has been removed? I mean, long liquidity will be removed over in this level itself, or else even better, uh, I could be like taken out of this trade, but long liquidity will actually be taken out just above this, because as soon as people see this such a huge level being broken, they're gonna buy, and as soon as that they'll neutralize it and they can just start dumping from there. So this could be a level, but if it goes on to that level, my stop loss will probably get hit. Okay, it's my stop loss is just above that, very barely above that. If you want, I can just go over to the 14. I mean, it won't be a difference actually, to be honest. If I go over and just increase my stop loss to 14, yeah. All right, cool, cool guys, cool. All here is liquidity, all here, it's liquidity, all here. I'm not targeting a lot, to be honest. This is an intermediate term high, and I don't want to be going against I mean, what ITH? What did I say? I forgot the word. Uh, I forgot the word. Actually, I did forget the word. ITH, right? What the hell was ITH, man? Intermediate term high. Oh, a lot of things going on in the mind right now. So that's why maybe I forgot. Intermediate term high. We don't want to be ever trading against the intermediate term high. Ever, ever. I learned that in a very bad way. Like, yeah, don't trade against the intermediate term high. What is an intermediate term high? If you ask me, this is an intermediate term high. You see, no, I'll show it to you on 4 hour itself. You see, this is a fair value gap on the 4 hour. And what does market do? Respect this 4 hour fair value gap. And as soon as this respects it, and it gives us a fair value gap while going up on a time frame 1 hour lower, maybe it's a valid, what do you say, intermediate term high. I even have a very big text annotation. There you go, ITH, intermediate term high. This is an intermediate term low. I'm very, very sorry. I'm messing it up a lot. It's an intermediate term low. All right. Now, what was I gonna see? I have no trades running at the moment. Yeah, I have no trades running at the moment. And USD chef, I am focused on going bullish, but again, distribution took place in Tokyo itself. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So Tokyo may be like accumulation, and getting a trade in accumulation is frustrating, man. If we go back and just see where we have got a distribution in Tokyo, this was a distribution in Tokyo. London did manipulate, accumulate and then fall down in New York again. All right, and over here, nothing. Over here, I mean, nothing over here. So this is one of the few days that USD Chef does distribute in London, so in Tokyo. So we are not focusing on USD Chef either. Okay, we have news at it shows 315 over here, to be honest. And if we see 315, right, it is 315, I think. Yeah, 315 is done, boys. 315 is done. 3:30 still we have news. There's a lot of news on EUR today. So news is gonna be in another 5 minutes. In another 5 minutes, we're gonna have another news. I just don't want to be stopped out. I may get just stopped out. And if we survive this 5 minutes, maybe we have a chance for this to be a winning trade. Maybe. All right. What else? What else? No one took a trade or what? I think no one took a trade.
इक्विटी और फ्यूचर्स
इक्विटी फ्यूचर्स सभी लगे पड़े हैं।
मैं बोलता रहा हूँ सारे ढंग के ट्रेडर्स इक्विटी और फ्यूचर ही कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्यों।
Again, they do not trade news, by the way. Ansh does not trade news, I think.
3, 2, and let's trade.
He's new, I think. Things like this do take place. Let's go over Euro USD. Whatever happens, happens. We have 3 more minutes left. If we survive 3 minutes, good, or else no, nothing. Alright. I told you guys this could be a good trade, but again, what did I tell you? I'm contradicting myself, but again, this is another ITH, guys. This is another ITH, and markets could go bullish from here. Okay, markets could go bullish. I mean, ITH is something, man. I did start trusting intermediate term highs and lows, because they just work beautifully. They work beautifully. If I just give you a raw picture of what ITH and STH are is, I'll just show you an I mean ITL. Okay, if you have this, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Yeah. This, and this. This is ITH and ITL. But when if there is a fair value gap over here and this fair value gap is respected, plus if we have any fair value gap within the discounted area, if I just put up a fib from premium and discount, if we have any kind of over here, even though if it does not touch, this becomes a short term low, guys. This becomes a short term low, and short term lows are perfect trades, man. And if if it's ever formed, always make sure and know that somewhere or the other you will see short term highs and lows over here. Short term highs and short term lows only make up liquidity, guys. Okay, short term highs and short term lows only make up liquidity. And whenever something like this is being formed, where this becomes an intermediate term low and this becomes an short term low, it's always going to go bullish and take out all the liquidity which was present over here. Okay, and that is what something is happening with BTC. And let me just tell you guys, intermediate term low is not taken. The smaller time frame intermediate term low and intermediate terms high are only and only considered in the higher time frame, guys. Even if you look over here, like if you see, there you go. If this it was respected over here, this did not cross this high. Okay, so this is a valid intermediate term high, and the market came up and then it went on, and you could capitalize on this, guys. This you could get in like 700 points in BTC. Okay, this is the main thing of fun of intermediate term highs and intermediate term lows, and we're running at a very small loss. I mean, I just want to survive the next 5 minutes. I think, I mean, it's over, I think. Yeah, 5 more seconds for the news, and there you go. RSL is gonna be hit. And okay, we're running. What just happened? Okay, okay, let it run, guys. I'm not gonna like FOMO out, because it's only giving me a 1:1 right now. So I'm basically very bearish for now. All over to this levels, man. Because liquidity, man. The main reason is just liquidity. Now it could reverse from here, but I'm not just gonna exit the trade just because if it does not follow my rules. Okay, I'm not gonna exit the trade. So good trade. Gadget's tutorial said it's a good trade. That means it's a good trade. That's it. End of talk. Let's just go down to the 15-minute or a 1 hour to watch this. All right. It's crazy liquidity over here, man. Crazy liquidity over here. To be honest, this is a very big liquidity pool over here, man. Mm-hmm. Yep. Trade is good. Trade is good. Oh, okay. All good. It's PPI, I think. PPI is not that effective, to be honest. PPI was never that effective. Yeah, there you go. German flash PPI. It's PMI. Sorry, not PPI. It's PPI is better than PMI. PMI is not that of a big deal. PMI does not move the markets like FOMC, CPI, or PPI. PMI does not do that. All right, no worries. The trade was good. That's all we need, right? All right. So actually, we got a good entry. Thank God I was late, so we got an entry at the high, or else we would have been at break even or something like that, or trade would have just been in a very small profit at the moment, $1 or something like that. But just because we got a little late, or maybe God did, so that's why we are at profit. I mean, should I just remove like 0.03? I'll just take down $5 or what? I'm not gonna do that. Let it do whatever it wants. I have to journal these trades. Okay, yeah. I took a loss on Euro CAD to be honest today. In the morning, I just no, not Euro CAD, USD CAD. I took a loss on USD CAD. One second, where is USD CAD and USD CAD? There you go. We took a loss over here. I mean, respectable loss to be honest. If I wouldn't have like exited, oh my god. So this was basically my entry, guys. 50% of this. My entry was right over here. We saw very small profit, and then it's obviously came down. And I had a 1:1 target or something like that, but I was obviously very worried about this trade because I took this trade with only $30 loss. Actually, I risk 1% on trades like these, but just because there was a lot of liquidity down here, if you guys see. And even if you see, if you don't trust me on the ITH and ITLs, if you see over here, liquidity was present, but still, what do we have over here? We have a fair value gap. Did it respect the fair value gap? It did respect. Okay, let me just show it to you on the paper, man. Literally, down, up, respected the fair value gap. Up again, we see a good fair value gap. That means this is a valid intermediate term high. It broke these highs even better. It never broke this low. It never broke these lows. And what did market do? Take out all, balance this imbalance basically. It did balance this to the order block. There you go. This was the order block. And then this, and it did balance perfectly. So what do you guys think? ITH and ITLs work? This was a beautiful ITL trade. I mean, analysis, guys. Beautiful ITL. Intermediate term highs and lows. Perfect. What's up? Silent है कोई? Who is in there? कोई trade नहीं कर रहा क्या? He's a scammer, guys. By the way, he's a scammer. Yeah, because he's a scammer, man. He tells it's an SL and then shows us a winning trade. Scammer. What else? Perfect. Let's look at XAU USD. Did it even do anything? Nothing. XAU USD does not show anything, man. It was not in use for XAU USD. Yesterday I actually did a FOMC stream. Alright. If I just go over here, why did I close this? Will my stream get closed or what? I have no clue how to get that back. I have no clue how to get that back. Content? No. I mean, I have. Oh my god, I just showed you guys something. Okay, I should not have showed you guys that. I have a lot of videos to be coming up. I mean, I have scheduled those videos. I did not, I don't even say that on stream. I'll just remove this. Oh my god. And I just view my channel and maybe we'll get it over here. Yeah. There you go, guys. Like we traded FOMC, but we saw no profit or no loss. We did not actually even get a trade or yesterday. This
Right.
was at night 12:30. I had a buy limit set, obviously. I mean, dude, I was not wrong, okay? Yesterday I was not wrong, to be honest. If I go down and show you guys where the trade was exactly, I think it was somewhere over here. I think, I don't remember the timing actually. If I just see, it was what? Over here, it was 13:20. no, I had a buy limit, right? So basically 14. Yeah, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Right? Yesterday at 2 p.m. The news was at 2 p.m. Yeah, yeah. The news was at 2 p.m. There you go. 2 p.m. No, not over here. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. I think not over here. Or maybe over here. No. I'm not able to recollect, but whatever happens, I was right all the way, and the market did not give me my take profit. To be honest, I mean, not it did not execute my buy limit. Just and grabbing it liquidity. Just bounced up. It gave us a TP, but did not get. We did not get in, so we're not even thinking about this trade. And there you go. I'm closing a GBP JPY 4-hour trade, man. And we have done that. There you go, please. There you go. Wonderful. Exactly. Hit our target, guys. 150 points target, guys. Not points. That was 150 pips, guys. That was 150 pips. GBP JPY trade was a banger. I swear, a banger. I mean, such clean trade. I've never ever got a clean trade, man, like GBP USD, GBP JPY. Very, very beautiful, beautiful trade. Oh my god. Again, I did the same thing which I should not have done. And guys, today I'm very sorry. You have all my email IDs. That's not even all my email IDs, to be honest. Right. Shall I just watch my stream over here? That's not even all my email IDs, to be honest. It feels awkward, but it's okay. I'm just not even gonna. I don't know how to watch my live stream, man. I don't know, man. Let's see. Okay, I think that is it for today. Do we have? We have a lot of news today, man. We have a lot of news. There you go. 3:30. We have news at 4 on EUR. Then we have 4:30 news on GBP. Then we have 5 a.m. news on EUR. And then we have news again on EUR on 7:30. USD we have Euro USD, right? So PMI, flash PMI. This is a good event, to be honest. This is right for event. There is very small moment, but there is on this day. And FOMC member Jefferson speaks. This time on this event, we get a good movement on gold. Okay, very good movement on gold. But this is at 10 a.m. That's basically what 11:30 p.m. or maybe 12 a.m. 10 a.m. EST to IST. That's 8:30 p.m. Okay, I don't think 8:30 I'll be even trading, man. Not the time to trade. I have made up another New York session strategy for BTC, and I will only trade BTC on that because I have seen in the previous 2 weeks, if you guys see, I used to trade BTC like a crazy person, but nowadays I've just stopped trading BTC and completely stopped trading BTC, man, to be honest. I just don't even trade BTC at all. All right, so yeah, that is the thing, man. I have made up a strategy for New York session plus kill zone, session start plus kill zone. If you don't get a, I have to be honest. Let me be clear. I have ADHD. Okay, not really ADHD, but I'm hyperactive. So I need to like shorten my trading time because I only come in, I trade, and then I go. I have downloaded GTA 5. I play that all day. So yeah, I've just minimized my timings and yeah, that's it. And matter of fact, if I let you guys know how did I get the like the 25K account. If you just go over here, there you go. This is my proof. Congrats, you have won the 25K account with SFT. Please message me on the SFT. And proof of your YouTube channel, Mr. Variety, still 25K to give away. It was left. I just won a 25K, and this was one of my 25K. This was Mr. Variety, and the other 25K was I think over here. Where did it go? Yeah, there you go. This was my day trader DJ. This is the account which I'm streaming on. Congrats, you have won the 25K challenge with SFT. Congrats. This was one of the SFT accounts I won. And if you go over to the YouTube, and Mr. Variety was the other one. And there you go. This is my real channel where I keep vlogs and stuff. So there you go. This channel won another SFT 25K account. So I right now have two 25K accounts with skill funded trader, guys. skill funded trader. Skill funded. There you go. I mean, SFT prop. Yeah, there you go. Skill funded traders. I have a 50K account worth of evaluation with this, and actually, you know what? I actually got a very good deal on these because if I tell you guys which one, I can't show it to you on stream. I think if I just log into one of my accounts, let me just log into one of my accounts, and I may stop the stream for 1 second. Not video, so audio capture, no display capture. If I just stop this, yeah, 1 second, just give me 1 second, guys. I'll just enter my credentials. Yeah, 1 second, just give me 1 second, guys. I'll just enter my credentials. I'll show you guys this, I think. Alright, there you go, we're back. Are you back? There you go. Which account did I buy? I bought two accounts. So they gave me a discount code and I had to buy the account. So I bought one account of the skill challenge and I have one account of the standard challenge. It's like phase one. For on the second account, I have to pass phase one with 8% and phase two with 5% profit target. And the first account that I got of the 25K is the skill challenge, which was phase one for 6% I have to pass, and phase two again for 6% I have to pass. In this, the first withdrawal is in 14 days and this also 14 days. I thought of taking the expert challenge, but this was somewhere like EAs and trade copiers are not allowed. If in the future years I ever use EAs and trade copiers is something I may use, because if I have to use the 25K accounts together, I'll just use a trade copier, right? So trade copiers is allowed, it's not allowed here. Then I have to manage it again differently, and it again has a lot of different stuff. And when I actually went into it, this was not probably the best for me. So these are good, and yeah, I have 25K accounts. That's it. Hmm. That is it. How is the okay, I just forgot I had an open trade, right? How is my trade going on? How is it going on? There you go. Marking has been done in front of you guys. It did not break this low. If it breaks, then the intermediate term is not valid. That's it. Time is fractal. That's what ICT teaches us. Time is fractal, man. No matter, this could take place in the 5 second chart or the 1 second, I mean 15 second chart, 30 second chart, anything like that. Time is fractal when it comes to the markets. So that's it. But the highest probability of ITH and ITLs form at the 1 hour. And I have even made another strategy for BTC, or which is a 1 hour strategy. I've not yet revealed it or ever traded it live. I have only put in one trade and that was a loss, but I have backtested it a lot, and I backtested it about for 1 month of data. That's how much I could find with the free subscription, and that's it. It's good. Uh, let's see if that does work for BTC. It's it is a mechanical strategy, but if you include it to be time based, it's even better, right? So win-win. And by the way, I think I may even start learning the quarterly theory by day. I mean, I have seen his videos already, to be honest. Quarterly theory. I won the giveaway in this, guys. In this, won the giveaway, right? In this,
Before quarter three.
this guy. He's crazy, man. He seems high, but he's a good guy. He bought a video, one video. He has one video of quarterly theory, and that video blew up.
Break them down.
Literally blew up. And if I show you guys on the live chat, like if you see after Kingdom Daughters, I think there you go, Mr. Variety. You see, at the rate Mr. Variety 25K giveaway. I won this on a live YouTube live. Yeah, actually, there you go, Mr. Variety. Thank you for the giveaway. I see my comment. It feels so weird. Okay, if I just show you the his account, 1 second, and there you go, day. I don't think I can play his videos, but he has just uploaded one video. Yeah, he said that he may upload another video in the coming days, but he has for now uploaded only one video. Uh, this guy, I mean, quarterly theory is something I knew existed, but I did not know it did exist. Such precision in this video, such precision. I mean, it's literally it feels it gives you goosebumps. Okay, like knowing that it was in front of your eyes and you could never ever see it. Quarterly theory is something like that. I have not been able to use quarterly theory. I do not understand it properly, but the idea of quarterly theory, it's just crazy. And matter of fact, I was not in the live for the giveaway. I actually made notes. Like, there you go. These notes, it's for the quarterly theory. Okay, whatever Dave was saying, because whatever he says, man. Quarterly theory is crazy. It's just that everything can be divided into a four, like a minute can be divided into four, and market actually everything runs by time. That's basically it, man. Everything runs by time. An hour can be divided into four quarters, an year can be divided into four quarters, a minute can be divided into four quarters, and the market has different behaviors for different quarters. And you have to be able to, like, you have to find yours the best suitable quarter or time. The main thing, the thing ICT said, this is the first thing ever I heard from ICT. I mean, not the first thing I heard from ICT, but it was something like crazy, crazy. What did I hear is that a lot of people have lines marked up on the chart. They enter what? They see this and they say, I'm gonna enter this. When it reaches the 52,258 level, it does not work like that. There is time, I mean, there is price on the x-axis or the y-axis, but people often forget there is time on the y-axis, man, or the x-axis. I'm sorry, x-axis and y-axis. There is price on the x-axis. There is price on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. So that there is a reason behind it. It would just be time. It would just be price if the markets revolve around the prices, but there is time. There is something, man. There is something, man. You have to find that out. I'm trying to find that out. Everyone in the world is trying to find that out. I feel like the markets are run by an algorithm, man. Looking at ICT's work, clearly algorithm, man. Clearly algorithm. Everything is so precisely made up. Just crazy, man. It's just crazy. Like, how precise can you be in this? That's the thing. And how precisely can you catch that? There's a main ever thing. I think I may get stopped out at the moment. Ah, okay, we're running at a profit. I see. I thought I entered here, so I was like a little bit sketchy. It's crazy. What do you think, guys? What do you think about time? Are you still there? Make sure to give this video a look. It's crazy. I mean, this video is crazy. When I say crazy, it's actually very, very, very good. He did not say something so magical about this, but he did say something a little shocking to me. Like, whatever. Make sure you give that a go. Why do I follow this guy? Oh, this guy. And this was the guy who used to motivate me in class 10. I just passed class 10 and class 9, just passed, just because I knew the teachers very well. They gave me like 36 marks, 36 out of 100. It's what passing marks, something, or out of 80 was passing marks. And this guy used to motivate me. And 10th was lockdown. I never gave my 10th board exams, and I had less score in 10th because 8th and 9th was taken as the average score and given in the 10th mark sheet. So I got like 85% in 10th. But then I got crazy. I used to watch him, Aman Tarwal, and few more people, crazily heavily motivated. Crazy, like failing class 9, almost failing class 9, never good at studies, never ever good at studies. And taking in like eight taking in an average of 4 subjects, 90.2% in class 12. All on my own, all on my own. I hated maths and I scored most in maths. So yeah, that's it. That's something like that. I mean, if you dedicate your whole, if you dedicate yourself to something, maybe it could be achievable. And as you know what Andrew Tate says, I'll just read this quote, man. I love this quote. I have this written everywhere. If you genuinely try your best all the time, you can never lose. Like, it's so true, man. So true. Our parents always say, what? You tried your best. That's okay. You didn't win. And that's not possible. If you genuinely try your best, there's no way you're gonna lose, man. There's no way. There is no one in this world, or maybe you're running a race and there's no one present, man, who actually gives 100%. Everyone gives a 90%. Try giving your 99%. There is maybe a chance. Not 99, man. Go for 100. Andrew Tate saying this is even better. I have Andrew Tate everywhere, everywhere. Andrew Tate on my screen. If I just go next background, Andrew Tate. If I go next background, it's next from I don't know something like Tristan Tate, his brother. Again, Andrew Tate. Next background, it's gonna be something, and then again something very relatable. Something Nasdaq. It's something very relatable. All right, so that's it. Andrew Tate. I mean, he changed my life. He personally changed my life. And I owe that man a lot, man. I don't know. He never knows I'm here, but still. I don't rate him as a god because God is a person who who does not live. I want him to live, man. He is someone. I mean, I can't say him. I'll just keep talking about him. There you go.
Everybody always says, if you tried your best, that's all that matters. The best is all you can do. If you tried your best, it doesn't matter what happens. It doesn't matter if you lose if you tried your best. Most people have heard that before. But there is a secret to the universe that most don't know. If you actually try your best, you can't lose.
Goosebumps.
If you actually every
Man, I don't know. So that is it. I think I'll close the stream. बहुत ज़्यादा आज मैंने बात कर ली यार. I don't actually talk about all this at all on stream. Today I did because this it actually does affect your mind. If you see, it does affect your mind a little bit. Okay, we have news and we have another news coming up in how much? Let's look at the time. 3:30, right? When is 3:30? Should we stay or shall we leave? Okay, 3:30 is done, right? It's 3:50. 4 a.m. In 5 minutes, we have another EUR news. Maybe that could do something. Maybe. What? We have it in 5 minutes. This is the last 5 minutes. I'm not waiting over till 5 a.m. again. That means another hour. I'm not streaming that much. I don't stream that much. I'll just go eat some lunch, man. It's already 3 p.m. and I've not had my lunch, nor my breakfast, nor my third tea. I only drank 2 cups of tea today. So I've not drank water from morning. Whatever, man. Excuses. What's up? What are they doing? इतनी गंदी ड्राइंग तो मैं बचपन में भी नहीं बनाता था यार। बकर 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 बातें करूं रात भर, ट्रेडिंग करूं। What is Lacknator doing? Zalankator. I forgot his name. I keep commenting on people, man. I keep commenting on post. What's Zalankator doing? Did he upload anything? Zalankator. Alright. Alright. Come on. Losses are inevitable. I mean, okay. He has not yet uploaded anything. Maybe he is not in this trade. What am I seeing? Why am I watching Instagram on live, man? Oh. I'm not able to see my live stream. I'm not able to see my live stream. Do you play GTA? I'm very, very, very sorry, man. I'm very, very, very sorry. I was not able to view your stream. I think there was some glitch. Okay, okay. For your PC, audio is very loud in stream, and you can reduce it from OBS. Okay, I did not know that. If I just, my I think my audio is right on near my camera. My audio speakers are right over here. That's why I think I'll just reduce it down. I think this. Is it good now, guys? Is it good now? I think it's good. I'll just audio output ko bhi. I'll decrease it. Audio input I'll decrease and audio output I'll decrease. I'm very sorry, man. I speak loudly. I get excited very, very, very soon. And yeah, by the way, do you play GTA on roleplay? No, no, no. I play story mode. Only story mode. Only story mode. Only story mode. I never tried to explore GTA. I tried online, but I did not even play online. I just play story mode. Your voice is good? No way, bro. No way, man. No way. I actually have a, like, I got this, like, in Epic Games. I used to play it on my laptop, but I got a controller, guys. There you go. I got a controller to play uh, GTA 5. It's been a long time. I'm right now on the big score mission, I think. No, no, no. I'm on the, forgot the name, man. It starts from P, something like that. Do you play GTA 5? What is GTA RP, by the way? I don't even have a clue what is GTA RP. Okay, there's nothing on this news, guys, because this was a orange folder news, right? So Flash, PMI, nothing. What is GTA RP, man? I have seen a lot of places like GTA RP and role play. Okay, what is GTA? What is role play? Is a multiplayer mod where a user created RP servers, customizable normal NPCs role play involves. I don't understand, but no, I don't think RP is a real life in game. I have completed GTA 5. That's cool, man. That's cool. I just got GTA 5. My mom never allowed me to play games. RP is real life in game. Okay, okay. How do we play this? Like, if I just open GTA 5 for now, let me just minimize this. Please tell me how to play. Once again. Oh, it's gonna take time. RP is a real life. I never knew something like this could exist, man. I mean, are you yourself in the game? Like, you, like, it won't be there. Why? Why not? Won't be there in game. So I'm not able to understand. I think I have a less IQ, man. Okay, I'm very new to the gaming culture. I don't like playing games at all. I just started. I only like it requires some setup. Okay, it requires some setup. I see. I'll try to watch that on YouTube then. Okay, I'll try to see what kind of things do we have to do. We have to install 5. I see. I see. Okay, I'll look into it on YouTube and then I'll see if I'm able to play it or not. Or maybe I just don't have the time for that. Maybe I'll just try it out. What's there to try? Yeah, GTA 5 RP. Right now, I'm focused on making a lot of money from the stock market in the game. I actually learned like some things from YouTube, how to like. I still don't even understand how to play the game properly. To be honest, I just drive around cars. I'm like I play like an NPC. Okay, really, I play like an NPC, man. So no, I'm learning slowly, slowly. What else? We're running at a good profit. Time and price. We look at USD Chef. Oh, we have. Should we enter, guys? Should we enter? Shall we take a small trade, very small trade on this? I'm very sketchy about this, but still, I think there is a chance we could scalp it, guys. To be honest, we could scalp it. Only if it comes down. I'm not foaming in. Maybe it will never ever give us an entry anymore. Yeah, we did get an entry already. There is very less probability of it giving us another entry. If I just randomly take a trade, okay, which account to take a trade? I forget. I have so many accounts. I forget which to take a trade in. So we are taking. I'm putting in a buy limit in front of you guys on USD Chef. It's a very less probability trade. I do not recommend any of you to take this trade. And just to tell you guys what is the setup, I'll tell you guys quick. So 15 minute, there is literally nothing, man, to even show you guys. So if you, even if you go there, yeah, there you go. A 4 hour a low was swept. A 4 hour low was swept over here, creating a lot of liquidity go up. And if we see Tokyo session lows were taken out, so this could be possibly a bullish structure forming over here. And if we look at the 15 minute, it was in kill zone plus London session, so it's a valid setup. Market structure shift was taken over here. A very mild or a very small market structure shift which was taking place, but it's something obviously considerable. And I have to put in 2035. All right, 35, right? I'm in 35. What the hell? Okay, I'm in 35. I just put it in front of you guys. I thought I have to change. So Control M. We have to go into Control M. USD Chef. USD Swiss franc. My brother actually bought me like Swiss currency. A lot of Swiss currency. I have a lot of different types of currencies. Euros look beautiful. Pounds look beautiful, man. I have to admit. And there's another currency which is very cool looking. And just drop down a follow to my brother. I mean, a brother in need is a brother indeed. This is my brother's account, and you guys and obviously follow him. Yeah, and there you go. This is his account. He has been to like all the countries in the world and stuff. And here I am. This was the FIFA. I mean, I got my keys from here. I got my keys. Anyways, I mean, just give him a follow and give me a follow too, man. I mean, I'm on Instagram too. How do I even show my account? There you go. You can follow me up. This is my small little account, and that's it. I had a bio before, but this quote, I read this quote from Iman Ghazi. That guy's an idol of mine, man. To be honest, that guy is crazy. Okay, should we just enter? I mean, it gave us an opportunity, and I was speaking shit over here. No, it did not yet give us a good opportunity. If we actually look into it, this is an order block where price could basically come into. So we could get our entries right on the 15 minute, or let's just go to the 3 minute and oh, it's USD chef, not Euro chef. Control M, and let's just USD chef. There you go. I'm very sorry. I'm very. That's why I was wondering why are the charts different, man. So 1 second, let me just bring this to this and bring this is where I'm basically looking for my entry. This is the fair value gap. This is the fair value gap, right? Yeah. This is the fair value gap, which could give us an entry. Is Rabiv a pilot? No. My brother is in Qatar Airways. He's not a pilot, he's a cabin crew. He is trying to become a pilot, but it will take some time. Like being a pilot in Qatar Airways does take a lot of experience, So gathering experience, we can say. I'll just put in a limit, buy limit on USD Chef. Again, this is a very new strategy. I just made the strategy like 2 days back, 3 days back. I made the strategy on 20th. Yeah, 2 days back, I think. So yeah, let me just put in a trade on USD Chef on the 3 minute chart. There's it. Where is it? 3 minute chart. 1 second, I won't be able to read any of your comments or the. Uh, how? How do I have the money, man? How do I have the money for this? Alright, TP is gonna be small, can I'll put this over here, man. Just in case. Just in case. I'll put my TP over there and TP. I can't put the TP. I have to like type in the letter, like numbers. I don't want to do that. So let's just see if we get an entry. If the market crosses this level, I'm randomly putting in a level. If it crosses this level, I'm taking out my limit orders. So that's it. Looking at Euro USD, we are running. I think that's it for the stream, man. I think that's it. Nothing much to show. We missed an opportunity on beautiful opportunity missed on the Euro chef. I mean USD chef. I'm basically saying Euro again and again. So we have put in a limit order. Stop loss is just below. I'm risking 0.2, I think 0.2% of my account on this, and 0.3% on this. 0.2, 0.3% on Euro USD trade. This is the Euro USD trade, which is complete. It's going on right now. It's a 4 hour or maybe a 1 hour trade, to be honest. All right, so very big trade. I'm basically aiming for very big targets. I do not recommend you to hold this long. It's a small loss for me. It may be a small loss for me, but not for your account. Take your account, like loss responsibly. That's it. What else? That's it, I think, for the stream. I did stream for 1 hour plus today, I think. Yeah. How long did I stream today? I streamed for about 1 hour. 1 hour, exactly 1 hour. 1 hour is completed. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope. Shall we exit? Shall we quit the stream? News was done right, man. News was done right. Okay. News done right again. I have literally I have only failed news once. I was not able to place a trade once. I have never actually capitalized on a news trade on this channel, but we are certainly at a very good position to be running on the Euro USD during news. So this trade was perfect. I still have a very big order. This is a 1 hour chart. I think this is a 15-minute chart. If you look down to the 1 hour, there's a lot of liquidity sitting down over here. And basically, main targets would be right over here. These lows, these lows, or maybe even this. Okay, something over here, and I'll start trailing my stop loss. Okay, I don't trail my stop loss after 1:1 or something like that. I have another, so just telling you guys, I have another USD chef. Let me just close this and I'll show it to you guys over here. I have a buy limit placed on USD chef. Let's see if this gives us an entry or not. Okay, we're not sure if this will even give us an entry because market has already gone a little too far. And just to let you guys know, if it crosses this level, I'm just gonna exit my limit order. So I have given you guys everything you need to know. News was done right, everything was done perfectly today. Very organized. I can say organized. I was just stuttering a lot because a lot of things were going on in my mind. I had news plus silver bullet and 2-3 setups plus USD chef, a lot of things together. So that's why I maybe messed up in a few places, but the news was done right. So that's it, I think. Thank you very much, guys, tutorial for watching, and that's it. Bye bye and have a good day. I don't even know how to close the stream, man. I don't know how to close the stream, to be honest. How do I close the stream? Shall I go into YouTube Studio? Latest live stream. Live stream is not over there, right? I can't even show you guys my dashboard because there's a lot of videos that should not come onto YouTube right away. Yes, I got 1+ subscriber. Content, and nope, we do not have it. I'm not sure how to, no, I can close the stream from OBS, but sometimes when I actually come down over here, the live stream keeps running. I can just stop streaming from OBS at the moment. But last time something like this did happen. Same thing. Okay, let's just see. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just stopping the stream from OBS itself. I am not able to end the stream from here. Thank you very much for watching. Have a very good day. Have a blessed day. And I hope you have a lot of profits coming up in the future years. And I think we'll keep tuning in and we'll meet you guys